Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Master Dynamic MW07. Firstly, don't forget to turn on your Bluetooth, so check it, maybe you have turned off it, and now click on it to connect them. Here we go, but if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so put it to the charging case. After that, close the case and it should be disconnected. Here we go. After that, open it and remove your headphones from the charging case. Click on it also to connect them. Here we go. If this method didn't help you also, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device after that, and press and hold this multifunctional button on your right earbud to enter pairing mode. We can see it by the flashing LED light. Here we go, it starts flashing, and we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold on your right earbud until this LED light starts flashing, so we should enter to pairing mode firstly. Here we go, we just enter, now release your finger, and after that press and hold again until this flashlight starts flashing too quick. Here we go, we have it. Now we should remove the headphones, so click on the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. And now we should pair it. So it entered to pairing mode automatically after hard reset and we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!